So in this tutorial we're gonna learn about how to import the video in your HTML. So to import it, you must indent the video tag inside the body tags. So we must define the source of the video. So I want this HTML tutorial 5 video in my source. So I'm gonna give that thing in my source. It should be like name of the file dot type of file. So here the type of file is .mp4. So I gave .mp4, and then I want to end this tag. So I ended the tag. So after the ending the tag, I must close the video tag. So I've closed the video tag also. Okay, let us open the web page .html and see whether. So what happened? Why I could not see? So something mistake. Did any mistake? Okay, let us see. Yes, I missed the file number. So you must be very careful while giving the source. So you can see I got that video, but it is occupying the whole space and I could not control the video also. So to control the video, we must give the controls inside the video tag. So I gave controls, and after controls I want to define the width and as 400 pixels, and even height also. Height with around 240 pixels. So I want to give 240 pixels. So I gave 240 pixels because it is occupying whole space now. So I defined it. So you can see I got all the controls, and even the width and height are same. So I can control the volume, full screen, and then play the video. I got all the controls. I got mute option also. So you can see it clearly. Okay, after giving the width and height, I want to autoplay my video in the HTML. So we must give autoplay before the controls, because if you give after the controls, there will be some error. You can't autoplay your video. So you must remember one thing is it must be before the controls. So okay, now let us open our file and see. You can see it is automatically playing the video. So okay, I don't want autoplay. So what was, I want to loop my video even if I go to the end and again it should start playing. So then I must give the loop before the controls. It should not be after the controls. So okay, now let us see it. So whenever I go to end, and again it is starting from the starting of my video. So I don't want the loop also. So what if I want a thumbnail to my this thing? So then I must define the poster. So inside the poster I want to give this image.jpg. So I don't want my first frame of the video to be thumbnail. So you can see the thumbnail, but it is looking odd something. So why it is looking odd? Because the width of the video and the pixels of the video is not fitting it properly. So I don't want this poster also. So you must choose a thumbnail of your same aspect ratio and with same pixels. So that image should be. So you must be careful while doing it. So this is the end of tutorial. Thanks for watching the video.